Now let me quickly set up some bootstrap. We will import container and row component from React strap, and we will construct simple container, and in that container we will create one row, and in that row we will display different components. Right now let me just display this paragraph live visitors. Let's save this and refresh our application, and now we have this component. Perfect. Now let me quickly create another component in this folder, and let's call this live visitors.jsx. Let me copy some boilerplate code from here and let's paste it here, and let's call this live, and state is empty right now, no need for this function, and let's remove this as well. Let's say live visitors. Save this, and in our application we can render this function, this component. Again I will copy this line and import live visitor component from here, and we will render this here just like this. Perfect. Let's check if it's working or not. Yep, it's working. Now we just want to show a table here, so I will just grab this table, and we will import this table in our application, and let's render this whole table. Perfect. Let's visit our application, and now we have our table. Let's give some heading here, live visitors, react.fragment First we will show IP address of our user, then we will show flag of our user, then we will show city of our user, and then we will show state, and last we will show the country of our user. And now let me remove all of this, and let's create array in our state, visitors, and this array is empty by default. We will put some visitors in the state in just a minute. And let me create another function here, and let's say render table body. In this function we will get visitors from our state, and let's say const visitors, and we will get these visitors from our array. State. Perfect. And then we will return, and then we will map these visitors with the table row. So we will say return visitors dot map, and in this map function we will pass our callback, and in that callback we will receive one visitor at a time. And then we will return one table row. And then we will just create table data, and in that we will display the IP address of our visitor. So IP address of our visitor. So here we are displaying flag, but we will just display country for now. Then we will show city, state, and again country. With this we can now call this function here to render the body of that form. Render table body, just like this. Let me save this, and we will not see any data here, so let me put some objects here. First object I'm going to write is IP, and the IP address of this user is localhost for now. And then the country or city, Lahore, state, Punjab, and country, Pakistan. Let's see, now we are getting our data, and I just messed up. Here I have to show the number of users, so we can also get index of each value. So index, and I will show that index here, just like this. It's index. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will connect this application to our Socket.io server so that we can see actual live visitors in this application. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.